Thank you for partnering with us and coming here, giving your precious time
No,
to
it's
me.
my pleasure.
Thank you.
Basically,
So we would like to ask that what were those parameters which made you to invest in IT, like to look at IT for your problem solution.
okay, let me say that it's something that is because of my background. I come from industry. So as I talked to you that when I came to the legal firm, I found that everything is Excel based reports and very individualistic. And therefore there was no control. There were situations where some people are loaded up to 150% and some people may not have the work also. So this kind of uh, loss of productivity. Second thing is that when you are out, you are not able to do the work, and most of the times you have to move out either for the court cases or you would like to work from home, and that is where then we thought that the only solution that can be is IT. Yes. Second part is that it is possible that you are working on one case. I am also working on the same case, and she is having a problem, and he is having the problem, same problem. It is possible that the solution that you give is better than I give. How do I know, and how do I benefit from your better solution and give it to the same customer basically? So therefore, this becomes a common platform whether you can share the knowledge management. So knowledge management, work distribution, and basically the cash flow. These were the three main drivers.
So these three were the drivers. So then how, what made you to choose Newzen to implement these three drivers?
Okay. Definitely, we looked for some other solutions which were specifically designed towards legal practice. They were essentially database management. So you manage the case of customers, you manage the data for the customers, and based on that you do the billing. But there was no integration with the product that you deliver. So it was basically one stream and this is another stream. And that is where we thought that it is better to start with the document management and maybe on top of it build the layer for billing, for quotation management, and also for tracking the billing. So this is where then we persuaded Newgen. They were not ready to build the billing around it. They were very scared, let me put it this way.
Okay.
Yes, but we provided them the encouragement and we say that yes, you have the capability. We will provide the know-how, how to do, how to design the billing platform on top of it. And they took the challenge and it worked.
So it was a combined partnership to
Absolutely,
implement a win-win
absolutely.
situation for all.
Yeah.
So, like as you know that our CRM division is always keen to know the client feedbacks, how they feel about that. So we are always very keen to bring the partnership to a very nourishing level.
Yes.
So what do you think that we should take into account to bring partnership with your organization to next higher level?
I would say that more than taking to my organization, we also have committed that this platform we will make it common or useful to the legal or service industry. Now, since you have also got the knowledge that what the legal systems or service company looks for, that is why I had asked your R&D chief, are you looking for a product which will combine the engine and little bit of ERP capabilities for the service organization with the professionals like engineers, chartered accountants, lawyers. You have Anderson.
You have subject matter experts as well.
Absolutely. Why? You take the software companies, small software companies. Their output is also papers or coding. It is very good that if you approach them with a product which has small ERP, they will not be able to afford SAP, they will not be able to implement SAP. So this will go in a long way if you develop some kind of a small capabilities ready to implement with little bit of configuration, and you will have companies which are in the software industry legal industry or service industry where they are more in the consulting. See, BPO, you are already there. This is little higher end of BPO, where your product is paper product. So I think you are ready to go there. It requires little, focus by your management.
That's thank you very much, and I'll always be in touch with you to get
Thank you
your
very
input.
much. Thank you.
So,
Thank you for your time.
sir.